Bitcoin is still on squeeze point. Range market is ongoing. Is there any opportunities in BTC? Is there any trade opportunities in altcoins? Let's see in this episode. Today we will be checking 4 altcoins analysis with BTC. So today's video is important if you want to check which are those altcoins and what are the next expected levels. Stay tuned with the complete video to understand each and every concepts in detail. Now first of all, let's jump on BTC. In last video we saw BTC analysis. You can clearly see that market is following the box. The box is always gives us a confusion moment. Okay, this trade is still in progress. My stop loss is below this support point, below this last point, and price is at this point. So I can wait for this trade to close at least at the profit or stop loss. BTC is completely flowing in range market. As you can see, 15-minute chart is showing that price is stuck in one range market. How to deal with this range market? First of all, check which are support and resistance point. Just mark out and wait until you see the price levels at the point of support or resistance point. Do not take any entries like here or any entries in between the intermediate level. You will stuck for no reason. Okay, that's why always wait for this point and this point where actually we can see some movements. Okay, buyers and sellers activity can be done at the point of resistance or support point. That's why waiting is the most important thing in trading. You can open trade anywhere, but your trade will stuck. You just have to wait for the right moment, then you are good to go. Everything is about waiting patiently for the right levels. So waiting is most important thing in cryptocurrency trading. In 1 hour chart, still we are seeing same theory as we saw in 15 minutes. Okay, price is following this range from this to this. Even if you draw one trend line support, still we have some buyers detection. As you can see, trend is on continuation mode from this point. As previous data, price hit this level and price gone above, and still here we go, same theory is happened, and this time we have question mark. That's why wait properly. If you have taken trade, just wait. Do not close in loss until we see the breakdown of 115740. This is the strong support point. Okay, in BTC we have understood how the current levels are acting in 15 minutes and 1 hour. There is a good thing that we have saw one spinning top here. Spinning top is always a market reversal. If you catch this level on 4 hour, just we need one confirmation that this candle is closing above this red level. If this closing, we can have some bullish probability. This is the resistance point in terms of parallel level. If this is breaking out, we have one more evidence that price will go like this. Okay, but we need to wait patiently to see how the market is reacting at the point of these, at the point of this. If strong candles are generating, then buyers can continue this trend. Everything is about patient and waiting for the breakdown levels. Now we will be jumping for next 4 altcoins we are analyzing in this episode. First altcoin, Dogecoin. How awesome trend is. Dogecoin is following this trend like bulls rally. On each and every support test, here we go, this price is jumping to the next point. So this is the sign of strong bulls. If price is generating any waveform like this is the pure uptrend sign. Now what we need to do, the first main important thing, switch to the daily chart, mark out some levels from the daily chart. As you can see, we have some levels on daily. Okay, this is the entire point where actually price is trying to break out, but red candle is showing just hitting after this level. It means spotting the levels on daily is very much important. We have saw clearly now what is the next upcoming levels in Dogecoin. Okay, now switch to the 4 hour chart. The analysis will become very easy, guys. Mark out the resistance point in 4 hour and see the market structure. Resistance is facing here, price is coming down. If this holds good and well, price can take like this. But if it breaks down, just go with the sellers, because trend is already started reversing after hitting the resistance point. That's why always be focused with the 4 hour chart, 1 hour chart and daily chart for the main market reversals. As of now, we need to wait patiently in Dogecoin too. Okay, everything is about this support now. This support will work as the decision point. Holding, then can go like this reverse. Breaking down, simply we will follow the next levels which was created by the Dogecoin. This entire level will be marked as the support level. In case Dogecoin is breaking down. Alright, if not, simply we will be going with the trend that is the upper side. I hope this is clear for you. Now next is Aave USDT. In Aave USDT, we will find out new levels from daily to 4 hour. Alright, we have now clear thing that price is going back without hitting the resistance point. Okay, let me draw some more levels to make this clear. Alright, this is entire point is support point. Okay, this is the basic scenario. In Aave USDT, price is going back without hitting the resistance point. It means sellers has created new resistance at the point of 345, 340. Now we can have one trend line like this. Alright, this trend line will work as the market reversal slash trade giver. In this point, we have saw that price is steadily gone down. Now just wait for some time, guys. If price is reversing like this and creating sell pressure and coming like this, we can go with the sellers. This can happen because trend is started creating the downtrend and broken this previously holded support point. This was the good support because trend was holded from this point to this. That means almost 1 month prices followed this trend. That's why if this trend line is breaking down, then we can have good momentum as per the price action point. Okay, one point is clear that price is broken down previous holded support which was 1 month, and now we need to wait for some upper side movements. If price is moving like this, price will try to liquidate some longers and go like this. So in Aave USDT, just hold. I have given scenario how to follow this trend. Now next is Theta USDT. Theta USDT is also giving us a strong bull scenario. Let's switch to the daily chart. Okay, fine. Price exactly hit the level of resistance point in daily chart. Here we go. This entire point can be considered as the resistance point as previously levels was followed this trend. Alright, now switch to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart is showing that price is hitted the level and afterwards the momentum was creating like this. Same scenario like Aave USDT. Okay, but in this scenario Theta is clicked a strong bulls resistance point, so possibilities are more in Theta to continue the downtrend level as compared to the Aave USDT. Okay, because Aave USDT was not clicked the strong support. In this scenario Theta is following the same trend, but trend is reversing from the clicking the strong bullish mark. So understand the differentiate the clicking the strong point or without clicking the strong point when price is going down. In this case, how to prepare the next trade? Find out best level to take profit the levels or market reversal points. Okay, just wait a little bit here. If sell pressure is generating like this and creating some glitchy points to trap bulls, we can have this momentum. Alright, in Theta we can get a very good trade. Just hold patiently for the liquidity candle or trap candle. Afterwards we can have a good trade in Theta USDT. Next coin is Solana. Let's switch to the daily chart as usual. Okay, in Sol we have different theory, guys. Okay, in Aave was different, in Theta was different. Now we are seeing a different format. Price was successfully broken this point with daily analysis. Now what we need to find out the next point, which is daily resistance point. Now flippers are successfully flipped the market. Here we go. Price is successfully gone to the upper side and price is looking to go with the bull side. This trend was very good, guys, because when these types of uptrend generates, bulls was active. We can consider that bulls was active in good amount. Okay, now what we need to do, just wait for little bit, calm down, and you can put stop loss like here. If candle is closing here, you can put your stop loss here. If candle is suppose closing here, you can put your stop loss like this, and you can wait completely for this entire space for the take profit till what, 272, 234, 218, 210. Likely you can split your take profit targets to reduce your risk point. In Solana we have green signal for the long trade. Just wait for little bit retracement for the good trade, for the good risk reward strategy. Different theory in Solana as compared to the Aave and Theta and Dogecoin too. So as of now we have saw 4 altcoins. First was Dogecoin, and Dogecoin theory was simple. We need to wait for this middle point which is 0.25224, either breakout or holding. Aave we have saw sell pressure without hitting the resistance point. Still there is a wait point in theta USDT. We have saw a different theory. Price was clicked to the strong point and going back to the support point, or still we have to wait for some retracement. In Solana we have saw green signal that price is broken the upper side level and looking for the next moves, which can be considered as the bull side. If you trade daily on spots and future market, then you can have a EchoBit trading platform where trades echo into an endless feature. On EchoBit you can trade easily spot and futures, or you can simply follow up the masters on copy trading feature. In market there are multiple markets are available to trade, which are basically good to trade and which are popular too. In spot trade you can check different altcoins. Just select altcoin whichever you want to trade, let's say futures and BTC. Currently one trade is active on BTC. You can check the ongoing trade. It is running currently in loss. Just I am waiting patiently to go back the market. As you can see, support is already clicked and price is going back. Also you can go with the copy trading feature. Copy trading feature is enabled in case if you want to follow the masters. Risk warning, always do your own research. Cryptocurrencies are subject to market risk. Always go with the risk reward strategy and multiple confirmation. Okay, just click on number of followers here. You can check here the second tab. This is my copy trading profile. Currently trades are very less performing, but we will see more opportunities in BTC. More trades are coming. Wait for more trades to execute. Popular cryptocurrencies you can see BTC, ETH, TRS, Dogecoin, XRP. Gainers are listed here: SPK, FIDA, Resolve, JUP, Layer. What are the advantages of this platform? User friendly interface. New players can easily understand and cooperate with the platform. Advanced layer of security, global coverage, access global market through widely supported cryptocurrencies. Start your cryptocurrency journey. You can use application for the feasible trading. You can download it from App Store, Google Play, Test Flight, Android. Okay. Stay connected with the copy trading. More trades are coming. Key features of this platform: advanced security, handles over 100k orders per second with low latency, registered with FinSec US and FinTrack Canada, includes copy trading, APIs for developers. You can use API keys to automate your trading journey. There are multiple platforms are available where you can automate your trading journey by fetching the keys from the exchanges, API keys from the exchanges. You can connect there to perform trades with automate modes. Includes copy trading, APIs for developers, and asset management tools. Alright, I hope this episode is clear for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today.